Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to change your residential address for digital purchases on Amazon. Really easy and simple, guys. So the mistake what people actually try to do is they go ahead to the new country's Amazon that they are currently residing in, and then they try to change their, residential setting from there. It's not going to work, right? What you need to do, for example, in this person's case, uh, they originally created their Amazon account in France, so Amazon.fr, right? So what you want to do is you can't use Amazon.com and change your residential address from here. You want to go to Amazon.fr, then you want to go ahead to and navigate to manage your content and devices under settings. So this option will not appear anywhere if you are in the wrong store. So you want to go to the store in your original country and change it from there to your new residential address. And then when you log back into the right store, for example, Amazon.com or Amazon.in if you're in India, and then you will be able to see your new address there. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.